Old FMS exam, there used to be a separate entrance exam for to do an MBA in IITs. There used to be another exam, JMET exam, joint management entrance test. FMS used to conduct their own examination because FMS was a part of Delhi University. But FMS right now, the selection into FMS is a part of CAT examination. There is a question that is given. A is 13, B is 14, C is 15. Find the in radius, or find the radius of a circle which touches all the sides of a triangle. Delta is nothing but R into S. 2S is nothing but the perimeter, which is 13 plus 14 plus 15. SC is nothing but 21. Delta is given by area of a triangle is given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Heron's formula. Heron's formula, right? S into S minus A. So delta is nothing but root of 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. These are nothing but 7 into 3 into 8 into 7 into 6, 7 into 12, 84. 7, 7, 24, 6 are 144. So delta equivalent to R into S. So 84 equivalent to R into S is 21. R value is nothing but 4. Some students might be doing a mistake of doing capital R. It is small r beta. The question is, find the radius of a circle which touches all the sides of a triangle. The circle which touches all the vertices of a triangle is circumradius. Otherwise, it is in radius. Otherwise, it is in radius. FMS old examination question. FMS, highest return of investment, sir. Probably the only B school in India where you can pay the semester fees by using your ATM card. Single scratch of ATM card, you can pay the fees. The highest placements that are given to my old students, Tilak and others who are FMS pass outs, 25 lakh, 32 lakh, depending upon your profile, depending upon your internship, and depending upon your work experience and the other criterias. Probably the same kind of placements are given for an 15 lakhs investment on IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and FMS. What else you want when the campus is in North Campus of Delhi? North Delhi, right? Absolutely, it's a delightful place for a student community. FMS old exam, old paper. Delta equivalent to R into S. Delta equivalent to R into S. The radius of a circle which touches all the sides of a triangle. But another important key point which is important here is, suppose if I take a right-angled triangle, suppose if I take these ABC, if I draw a circle, this is R, that means this is R, this is nothing but C minus R. If it is R, this will be A minus R. These is nothing but, right? These is nothing but A minus R. These is nothing but C minus R. Total is nothing but B. C minus R plus A minus R equivalent to B. C plus A minus B is nothing but 2R. R is nothing but C plus A minus B by 2. C plus A minus B by 2. Listen carefully, sir. C plus A plus B by 2 minus B. Semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius is given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. I hope the idea is clear. Semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. These is nothing but R also. These is nothing but R. These also nothing but R. In radius is always given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In the case of a right angled triangle, this is the center of the incircle. This will be R. If it is R, total it is C. So it is C minus R. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. If it is R, it is A minus R. Both are equal. This plus this is nothing but the hypotenuse. This plus this is nothing but the hypotenuse. I hope the idea it is clear. So R is nothing but semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. Semi-perimeter is nothing but hypotenuse. Now another important key point. Sir, can I use by using the triangle area? That also can be done. Opposite to A is small a. D is nothing but small b. D is nothing but small c. D is nothing but small c. Now see here. Area of a triangle. Delta is nothing but R into S. R is nothing but delta by S. Delta is half into base into height. Half into A into C. Semi-perimeter is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. 2 cancel. This is AC by A plus B plus C. Multiply it by A plus B minus C. Numerator and denominator A plus C minus C. So AC into A plus B minus C divided by A plus B whole square minus C square, which is nothing but AC into A plus B minus C, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus C square. A square plus B square, A square plus C square. I hope it is clear. So delta equivalent to, now delta is half into A into C by A plus B plus C. Okay, it is, what I will do is, I will do it with A plus C minus B. I will do it with A plus C minus B, so that it will get eliminated. So this is nothing but A plus C minus B. You are understanding why am I doing? Because B is the hypotenuse. A plus C minus B. A square plus C square plus 2AC minus B square. Minus B square. B square cancel. So this is nothing but AC cancel, which is nothing but A plus B minus C by 2. A plus C minus C by 2. I hope it is clear. A plus C minus C by 2. Or I hope this idea it is clear. One more important variety of question which is coming in your exam is R is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. Another variety which is coming in your exam is there is a triangle. In that one, an incircle is inscribed. These are, these nothing but R. These nothing but R. This is X. This will be X. These nothing but Y. These nothing but Y. These nothing but Z. These nothing but Z. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is given by 2S is nothing but 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So SC is nothing but x plus y plus z. Area of the triangle is nothing but, area is given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. SC is nothing but x plus y plus z. S minus A. A is nothing but x plus y. B is nothing but y plus z. C is nothing but x plus z. D is nothing but x plus y plus z minus of x plus y. Z into x into y. Delta equivalent to R into S. R is nothing but delta by S. These root of xyz into x plus y plus z by x plus y plus z. Very important, sir. R is given by root of x plus y plus z. Sorry, root of xyz by x plus y plus z. Very, very important. Not a single concept we will miss in geometry and mensuration. xyz by x plus y plus z. Please make a note of it, sir. right? If the circle is inscribed, if the values are given as xyz, r is given as root of xyz by x plus y plus z, root of xyz by x plus y plus z. Xyz are the values from, right, the circle touching to the edge point, circle touching to the edge point. Extremely important key point. In radius is given by delta by s, in radius is given by semi perimeter minus hypotenuse. Now another important key point, in the case of an equilateral triangle, in the case of an equilateral triangle, delta is nothing but r into s. Area is nothing but root 3 by 4 into a square. Semi-perimeter is nothing but, it is 2s is 3a by 2. So these is nothing but, r is nothing but a 2 1s are 2 2s are, a is nothing but root 3 by 4 a square, 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. So s is nothing but 3a by 2, 3a by 2. So these nothing but, r is nothing but 2 root 3a square by 12a, 2 root 3a square by 12a. r is nothing but a by 2 root 3. Extremely important point. R is nothing but in radius. A is nothing but the side of an equilateral triangle. A is nothing but the side of an equilateral triangle. R is a by 2 root 3. R is a by 2 root 3. I hope it is clear. R is a by 2 root 3. In radius of an equilateral triangle is given by a by 2 root 3. In radius of an equilateral triangle is given by a by 2 root 3. In radius of an equilateral triangle is given by a by 2 root 3. Next one, another important point. 1 by r is nothing but 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2 plus 1 by h3. If you add the reciprocals of the three heights of a triangle, you will also get reciprocal of the in radius. Delta is nothing but r into s. Delta is nothing but r into s. 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. So delta is nothing but half into a into h1. A is nothing but 2 delta by h1. B is nothing but 2 delta by h2. C is nothing but 2 delta by h3. This is nothing but 2s into 2 delta if I take common, 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2 plus 1 by h3. These nothing but 2s by 2 delta equivalent to 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2 plus 1 by h3. Delta by s, it is r. So it is nothing but 1 by r. If three heights of a triangle are given, in radius can also be found out by using the notation 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2 plus 1 by h3. 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2 plus 1 by h3. It is nothing but 1 by r. A lot of key important concepts with respect to in radius. In radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius in a right-angled triangle is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius, if heights are given, 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2 plus 1 by h3. In radius, if a part of the side is given. All these important key points. Every question the model came in the previous year examination.